prep time for trip number 2. What are we doing, Susie?
Packing dog food, bones and dry food and prescription food. Getting all the containers together.
Yeah.
And you're eating leftovers. And
for this one and this one. The dogs are actually looking at me because I have one of New Jersey's finest foods. I don't know if they have this food everywhere, but you can't beat White Castle rat burgers. They're not actually made of rat. At least I don't think they are. I think it's really good, but it's pretty good. So that's it. Additional preparation for the 2-month trip, and this part of this, I actually missed the beginning of this. This is disinfecting the water tank and the water system. I've already I drew in a very weak bleach solution, filled the tank to the max, ran the water through all of the spigots, and we left it there for 24 hours. Now I'm draining out the tank and I'm going to refill with fresh water. So here we go. Hey everybody, it's Excursion Diversion. We're starting part 2 of our trip for summer 2019. Yeah, we've restocked the RV. We've taken care of business at home. We have our passengers loaded up. There's passenger number 1. There's passenger number 1. There's passenger number 2 and passenger number 3 already trying to assume her spot.
You better back up, baby.
But it's going to be a good trip. It's going to be 2 months. We're going to be all the way out in Utah, California, and Seattle, and Washington, and Oregon, and Canada even, maybe. We have our passports, right?
We hope so. Wait, let me check.
And hopefully we have our passports.
Yes.
Okay,
we do.
Passports are here. We're good to go.
Yep.
See you later. Well, we're on our way through Indiana. Vast, wide open spaces of farmland, as you can see. On our way to St. Louis. On Route 70. Making good time. The wind is killing us, though. It's got my mileage down to 14.1 miles per gallon. More. Look at this road. This is ridiculous. Susie's going to yell at me because I say ridiculous all the time, but that's a long piece of straight road. In from the St. Louis RV Park in downtown St. Louis. We just rolled in. Jackie at the front desk, sweet as pie, helped us out, got us all checked in, and it's a great park. It's your typical urban campground. It's small. There's a combination of monthly rentals and a couple of transients like us, but it is right in the center of downtown. So we're going to take an Uber from the campsite to a number of different places, and we're going to check it out. We're going to check out the Arch. We're going to check out a baseball game. We're going to eat oysters, all these things. We're going to videotape some of this, and we'll bring it all to you soon. Okay? Anything else to say? Cheers, really.
Cheers, yes. Cheers.
Cheers. Oyster bar.
Right there.
I don't know where we're going to eat yet, but it's working out. We're at the outside bar. Sit at the outside bar if you come here.
Unless it's raining.
Unless it's raining.
It was just raining for a little bit, but it stopped.
Just a shower.
Very cool.
Yeah.
There, but we can't sit outside and watch the game without a ticket. See here. for the grand reveal of the St. Louis Arch. So let's walk toward it.
Wow. It's a hazy, cloudy day though.
Gotta beat the crowd. Damn, it's like we have the place to ourselves. Look at this. We just beat the crowd. Here we go.
You gave up? We're going home? Should I sit here? Should I sit here? Okay.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, this is so tight.
Really amazing. I'll put my knees over this way, you put your knees that way, right? Get your umbrella.
Wow.
You know what we can do? We can put our stuff over there. Watch your head. It's the same height, it doesn't really matter.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
All right, everybody watch your hands and feet as tram doors are closing.
This is a little crazy.
Wow.
Yeah.
I guess we don't see anything, do we?
You'll see the steps as we go, I think. There has to be manual steps.
Yeah.
Because if it gets stuck, you gotta be able to get out. Feels like we're going that really good. So it'll adjust.
Here they are.
Oh man, that's awesome. Safety belts, that's important. That's good. A lot of tools there, I don't know, man.
What did you get me into? You know I'm afraid of heights.
Close your eyes. Too late.
I can smell they're using old high voltage contactors. I don't know if you're an electrician or into the ozone. You can smell the ozone.
All right.
St. Louis Arch because Susie was having a fear of heights there, so we decided to walk around the outside of the arch and get a better view. nothing as if I like it.
You don't have an answer.